In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaTrader 5 on laptop. By the end, you'll have MT5 installed on Windows or Mac, signed in or running a demo, charts configured with indicators, essential settings checked, and you'll know how to place a basic order. Start by downloading MetaTrader 5 from a trusted source. The safest options are the official MT5 website or your broker's website, which ensures you get the correct server list. Choose the installer for your system, Windows or Mac, and save the file. Avoid third-party download sites to steer clear of fake or modified versions. Let's install it. On Windows, open the file you just downloaded, agree to the license, and keep the default installation location unless you have a reason to change it. Click Install, wait a couple of minutes, then click Finish to launch. On Mac, open the DMG file, drag the MT5 app into Applications, then open it from there. If your system asks for permissions, allow them so the platform can run properly. When MT5 opens, you can log into your existing broker account or create a demo. To log in, go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. Then enter the credentials provided by your broker and select the correct server name. If you're just getting started, a demo account is a great way to practice. Go to File, open an account, pick a server, fill in the basic details, and you'll be connected to simulated funds right away. Now set up your charts so the workspace is useful. Open Market Watch with Ctrl+M if it isn't already visible. Drag a symbol like EURUSD onto the chart area. To add indicators, use the Insert menu or the Navigator panel. Add RSI, a moving average, and MACD to get a solid technical view. MT5 includes dozens of built-in tools, so feel free to explore and save a chart template once you like the layout. Adjust a few key settings before trading. Click the Auto Trading button on the top toolbar if you plan to run expert advisors. You can leave it off for manual trading. Choose your time frame, M1, H1, or D1 from the toolbar, and switch the chart to candlesticks for clearer price action. Check your connection in the bottom right corner. Green bars indicate a live, healthy connection. To place a trade, press F9 or click New Order. Confirm the symbol, choose your lot size, decide whether to buy or sell, and click Place Order. Quick recap. You downloaded and installed MT5, logged in or opened a demo, loaded charts with indicators, confirmed your connection, and placed a test order. You're ready to explore and refine your setup.